Good day everyone, Alice here from Safi Financial Network. Today is December 12, 2022. Sorry folks, I just missed the weekly analysis. I was in short trip, came back to my home office today, and here is the weekly analysis, and could be a daily analysis too. Plus I'm covering the weekly chart as well, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's go to the chart. Here is S&P 500 weekly chart. As you see, last week we had a technical reaction to the trend line. So trend line is obvious for everyone. Right now, if you see here the trend line, we hit fourth time, and technically we should expect market is coming down. However, we had news today off the wire that Federal Reserve chairmen actually they are divided into two different camps. One camp, they believe that deflation is going down sharply next year, so we don't need to increase the rate or pause or even stay with this percentage. We should bring the rate down just because we don't want to have like a hard landing or very severe economy recession. The other part, or another camp, they're saying economy is too hot, job market still is hot, and there is no guarantee if we bring the rate down, market or economy is getting hotter and inflation is getting absolutely out of control. It is out of the control, it is high now, but it is not something that we cannot control it. We can somehow control it with some financial tools. But anyway, so this is based on the news, and market just take it as like a benefit for the downside. So as you see here, we had Monday to the upside, like starting the week to the upside. However, PPI number was high last week on Friday, and that caused market just to smash down all the way down to here. Weekly candle closed here pretty close to these shadows, to the support level, and to be honest, I was not expecting a sharp price action today. I thought that market is going to have like a doji or something like that, so that's why I came to I went to a short position in Nasdaq. I was stopped out quickly just because market skyrocketing to the upside the last hour or two. But in weekly chart, as you see here, we had a technical reaction to the trend line. CPI number is coming out tomorrow, and Federal Reserve meeting is going to be on Wednesday, and Friday is going to be option expiry for the fourth quarter. So lots of news and lots of fundamental news, lots of important things that can move to the market. They are coming this week, so we should be very careful about the trading or any open position if you have. Momentum wise, weekly chart shows us that we are getting back to the bear side, right? So again, there is no guarantee. We had one downtick, but if we get a follow through, then we should expect market is going back down to this area and probably test this low or a lower low, or getting back to the downtrend. So still there is no guarantee, but this is how market is doing since January 2022, and right now we are for 1 year, absolutely 1 year bear market. So this is just the first bear market after a while. Here is RSI for the weekly chart, and as you see here, RSI is getting back to kind of like a topping formation within this bear market. So this is March 2022, this is August 2022, and right now we are getting back to December 2022. So if you look at these tops, they're kind of like a symmetrical, right? So March is a month of the third month of the year, August is 8 months of the year, and we are in December. So between August and December, we are having 5 months, let's say 4 to 5 months window, and from March to August also we have got 5 months window. So it's interesting. My market is having a cycle of the 5 months interval, 4.5, 5 months topping formation. So between this top, and getting back to this top, it's kind of like a symmetrical based on the cycle, as you can see that. Going back to the daily chart, here is daily chart. Momentum is not as we expected. So momentum is down. So that's why reversal happened. But it doesn't mean that when we get a reversal from this daily chart, that's going to be to the upside. Again, we had lots of upside momentum like this. Market went up 2-3 days and then coming back down just because weekly momentum is down. And right now we are at down weekly momentum, and that is very, very important. And we should pay attention to the bigger time frame, and any small time frame like a daily or 4 hours short time frame reversal would be just a relief valley or kind of like a correction within the downtrend, basically. So again, if we get another probably upside tomorrow, then that would be a downtrend, a correction within the downtrend. So here's the bearish consolidation, which is going to fail, some kind of going to fail. So market shows reaction, probably will get back to the upside tomorrow. Tomorrow would be CPI number again early in the morning. So that's going to be very, very, very important, and it's going to just show us the roadmap for the entire week. So anything that market is going back down to the upside, that's going to be kind of gambling approach. But I have this idea. So when we have this severe, let's say severe support here, it's very, very strong support here above this top. So let's say this box. So this box around, what's the price for this? So let's have a price. So here's 39.45, and another one is this one. 39.10. So the lots of buyers and sellers are there. So tomorrow, if we get just peers, I would say just peers down there, then it's going to just smash the market all the way 100 points to the downside immediately, very, very sharply. So this price action is not strong. It is very weak, I would say. But it doesn't mean that it's going to go down, just because when market have like a lower CPI, lower than expectation, then it's going to just start skyrocketing to the upside, probably break out this trend line, and it gets just buyers back to the market, and everyone is getting bullish. Sentiment wise, as you see here, we are slightly in a greed sentiment. It is not extreme greed, but it is greed. It is green, basically. So all in all, market is in doji formation. What do I mean? It is not a doji candle or something like that. It is kind of indecisive moment for the market. So this is the roadmap that I just drew. Market just came down, went all the way up to here, and probably tomorrow will touch 4,000 area, 4,012 or 4,014. Then I expect market is coming down. I don't know, probably a pre-market or something, CPI market or something. It's getting back to the upside and then coming down. I don't know. I don't know what would be the catalyst, but there is a high probability that we can see market is coming down from 4,000 to 4,025 to the downside. And if it breaks this, as I said, if it breaks this level, 39,000 to 39.45, then it would be 100-point drop to 38.25 immediately. So that's kind of like interesting, and we should just keep and watch. Okay, so I think I wrapped up everything for S&P 500. It was kind of like a short video just because we are kind of like in a pause or waiting moment for the market to see how a CPI number is coming tomorrow, and we cannot forecast or something, so we need to see. But all in all, we are taking a bearish momentum or bearish inclination, just because we are in bear trend, we are at the top of the market within the bear trend, so we are getting back to lots of resistance momentum wise in the weekly chart. As I show you, we are in crossover for the weekly chart, so momentum wise everything is ready for another downside, but it is not confirmed yet. So don't bet. If you want to just trade this, you can get to the short position and put your stop loss on top of the weekly chart here. So anything above it, that would be stopped out, and there's going to be another dynamic or dynamic shifting to the market. Okay, so I think I wrapped up everything. If you liked this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.